Whether we're consciously aware of it or not, we all view the world through a particular lens, or even a set of them. These lenses often take the form of philosophical theories that shape our perceptions and our understandings of the world around us. Today, what we're going to do is dive into two of these perspectives, modernism and postmodernism, and we're going to explore how they can be applied to our everyday lives. But first, let's get a handle on what the two theories actually represent. Modernism emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries during a time of rapid change and industrialization. It's marked by the belief in rationality and science and progress. Modernists hold that through the power of human reason, we can objectively understand the world, discern universal truths, and progressively improve conditions. Postmodernism, on the other hand, as the name suggests, came after modernism, gaining prominence in the mid to late 20th century. It questions the very assumptions that modernists hold dear. To postmodernists, knowledge and truth aren't universal or objective, but are instead subjective and socially constructed. They argue that reality is multifaceted and open to a myriad of interpretations, relative. Now, it's important to remember that neither of these perspectives is inherently right or wrong. They're merely different lenses through which to view the world around us, and they can both offer valuable insights. So how can we use these perspectives in our everyday life? Let's take a look here. In a modernist framework, through that lens, you might view obstacles as problems to be solved through rational thought and action. For example, if you're struggling in a class in college, you could logically analyze what's causing the difficulty, develop a plan to address it, and trust in the progress you'll make by applying that plan. This could involve setting up a study schedule, seeking extra help, or learning a new study technique. Conversely, through a postmodernist lens, you might question the prevailing norms and assumptions surrounding that situation. In the context of struggling with a class, you could examine whether traditional measures of academic success truly resonate with your personal understanding of learning. Perhaps you might explore alternate ways of learning or express your knowledge in a way that better aligns with you or your individual style. Postmodernism also encourages us to appreciate diversity and recognize the validity of different experiences and interpretations. This perspective could make us more open to hearing from others, understanding their viewpoints, and valuing their unique experiences. Ultimately, understanding these philosophical theories and applying them as lenses can enrich our everyday lives, allowing us to approach situations from many angles. Whether it's adhering to principles of rationality and progress in modernism, or embracing the diversity and subjectivity in postmodernism, both perspectives can provide valuable insight and deepen our understanding of the world. Remember, neither modernism or postmodernism is correct, not a correct way to perceive the world. They simply provide different, yet uniquely valuable viewpoints. So as we continue our journey through life and beyond, consider exploring both lenses and applying them to your experiences. Who knows what new insights you might discover?